Hey guys, welcome back to Roast Sky Media. Today we have got the Air 65 Tiny Whoop. I've really wanted to try this for a while. I've been flying the Meteor 75 Pro, which I love, no complaints with that. And apparently this is much lighter, that's obviously a smaller one. I have got the Air 75 on the way, so I'm going to be reviewing that as well after. So yeah, let's unbox. So we have got spare props, a USB to FC adapter to plug it into Betaflight, some spare screws, a spare canopy, and of course the drone itself. So it's really light, super tiny. It comes in racer or freestyle, which I think is just different props on it. Could be slightly more powerful motors as well, but I think it's just different props on it. So also got the BT 2.0 connector for 1S batteries. It seems to have a 4-in-1 ESC. I think it's the CO3 camera still. And the motors I'll put at the top right there, because I can't actually read what they say on the actual motors, they're too small. The batteries I'll be using is the Lava 300 milliamp 1S batteries. So they feel so much lighter compared to the 550. Just for a comparison, it's a 550, and that's a 300. The difference, they're so much lighter, these little ones. The weight of the 65 is 17 grams, and with the battery, 26 grams. I'm awful at flying whoops indoors, really bad. I need tons of practice. Yeah, I struggle. I crash a lot. I expect a lot of crashes, but I'll give you my honest opinion how it feels. So yeah, I'm gonna fly it indoors, and then I'm gonna fly it outside, just to see what it's like in the wind and stuff like that. Okay, so we're going for the outdoor flight first. It's a nice day. It's a bit wet, but not much wind. Yeah, I had family visiting me and my daughter and my beautiful fiance, so I thought, if we're going to go to a local park, why not take the Air 65 and give it a test run? But yeah, it feels really nice. It's almost I'm using my Skyzone 04X Pro goggles and my Radio Master Boxer ELRS radio. But yeah, as you can see, usually, when I'm flying, I don't fly near people, even tiny whoops. I'm just not confident. I'm a beginner pilot. But this, I felt so much control. I felt confident, flying it. It's just straight out of the box. The tuning just feels so nice. Yeah. So as you can see, it just felt so nice to fly. Usually, I'm crashing, at least every 2 minutes, whereas this, I felt like I was just in control the whole time. It just feels so nice to fly. I'll leave you to watch the videos, and I will play some music. Okay, so this is the indoor flight. First time I go angle mode because obviously I'm not confident outdoors, let alone indoors. So, as I said earlier, I'm a beginner pilot. I'm really, really bad at flying. So, yeah, angle mode the whole way. And then the next clip I'll be doing air mode. And that is where I'm pretty much 90% of the time upside down. So, yeah, as you can see though, beginner pilot, really, really bad at flying. And even still, it still feels really, really nice to control. Feels really nice out of the box. Yeah, it felt smooth. I can't explain it. It just feels really, really smooth. Just it just feels balanced. Like it doesn't feel like something's pulling you one way, or you've got to compensate with the throttle or compensate with your pitch. It just feels really nice, well balanced. So yeah, even like this, I wouldn't dare fly around or near people. But this 65, it feels nice. It just feels really, really comfortable to fly. Felt safe flying it. So yeah, enjoy. So yeah, final thoughts. I really, really, really like this drone. As I said before, I'm not good with tiny whoops. I need so much more practice for these littler drones. But I definitely will be practicing the sim because I really want to get good with this. So yeah, no problems at all. It felt straight out of the box. It felt really, really nice to fly. Felt really well tuned. Yeah, I really, really, really like this drone. I'm definitely gonna be using it a lot more. I'm excited for the S75 to come as well because I'll be reviewing that either next or I've got something special coming on next after that. Okay, thanks for watching. Yeah, please like and subscribe.